everyone, this is Felicia from Poly Vegan Kitchen. It's winter here in Michigan, it's flu season, and we're dealing with a pandemic. If there's anything that I've been making all year long, it is this natural penicillin, also known as nature's penicillin, that is so simple to make, you can make it at home. This penicillin is perfect as an immune booster and can help aid you when you are fighting a cold or a flu. Quick shout out to my best friend Senny, who is also poly vegan. She shared this recipe with me and it's been such a blessing to my family. The ingredients you're gonna need are 8 lemons. Lemons are high in vitamin C and fiber. These nutrients are responsible for several health benefits such as heart health, weight control, and digestive health. 1 cup of raw honey. Raw honey comes straight from the hive. Raw honey is the least processed and probably has the most antioxidants. I understand that there are vegans out there who do not use honey. Feel free to leave it out. As for myself, I do choose to use it because of its health benefits. Honey contains antioxidants, minerals, enzymes that have many potential health benefits. There's also evidence that honey can soothe coughs and treat wounds and burns. Next, you're going to need 1 tablespoon of ginger. Ginger is a spicy, pungent herb that's used for cooking and healing. One of the main things you may have found it used for are sore throats. In fact, one laboratory study showed ginger stimulated the immune system to kill viruses. 4 cloves of garlic. The health benefits of garlic have been recognized for centuries. It's loaded with vitamins and minerals. It can help to lower cholesterol, reduce risk of heart disease, and can be used as a preventative for colds and flus, amongst many other things. A 4th teaspoon of cayenne. Many people consider cayenne peppers to be the king of medicinal herbs. There are many health benefits from lowering blood pressure, pain relief, and yes, even weight loss. Next, you'll need 1 teaspoon of eucalyptus oil. Eucalyptus oil is used as a medicine to treat a variety of common diseases and conditions, including nasal congestion, asthma, and as a tick repellent. Last but not least, you'll need 1 teaspoon of peppermint oil. Peppermint oil contains over 40 different compounds. It helps to prevent or reduce vomiting, it helps the body eliminate mucus, and it reduces muscle spasm. For those of you that want more information on the health benefits for each of these ingredients, go ahead and check out the description box below where I left some links for you. Combine all of this into your blender, place it on high, and let it go until it's very, very fine. I'm not a doctor and I'm not giving medical advice, but I'll share with you what my family does. For my kids who are between the ages of 2 and 13, I usually give them a teaspoon every 4 to 5 hours the moment I recognize that they're getting sick. For adults, it's 1 tablespoon every 4 to 5 hours. All right, guys, so here's the final product. I'm going to go ahead and try this on camera for you just for your own satisfaction of seeing a reaction to this natural nature's penicillin. So here we go. Yeah, that's really strong. Here, come.
This is good.
Yeah, come here. Ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, I'm sorry. I really hope that this video will be a blessing to you and your family. And if you like content like this, please go ahead and like this video, subscribe, and ring that bell. We upload a new video every Monday. And remember, no matter where you are in your journey, there's always room for you on our table, right here on Poly Vegan Kitchen.